Welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, for those who haven't subscribed, it would be nice to subscribe first so this channel can grow. Let's go. Week 1 Day 1. Voracious. Meaning, very eager or having an insatiable appetite. Urdu, shadid khwahishmand. Hindi, bukka. Arabic, jash. Bengali, attaché. French, vorace. Spanish, voraz. Indiscriminate. Meaning, lacking in care, judgment, or selectivity. Often without making distinctions or choices. Beimtiaz, Urdu. Hindi, bavaja. Arabic, ishwe. Bengali, fafa, honornoy. French, indiscrimin, e. Spanish, indiscriminado, a. Eminent. Meaning, prominent, distinguished. Urdu sadface bartar. Hindi, pratishtat. Arabic, Jew, barais. Bengali, f2l, bikyat. French, eminent, e. Spanish, eminenti. Steeped. Meaning, refers to something thoroughly soaked or immersed in a liquid or influenced deeply by a particular quality or characteristic. Urdu, bigona. Hindi, bigahwa. Arabic, gamr. Bengali, leban. French, trempe, e. Spanish, empapado/a. Replete. Meaning, full, filled up. Urdu, purpur. Hindi, guf, purn. Arabic, lao, mumtali. Bengali, f, purin. French, plein, e. Spanish, repleto/a. Reading wisely. The youngster who reads voraciously, though indiscriminately, does not necessarily gain in wisdom over the teenager, who is more selective in his reading choices. A student, who has read the life story of every eminent athlete of the 20th century, or one who has steeped herself in every social protest novel she can get her hands on, may very well be learning all there is to know in a narrow area, but books are replete with so many wonders that it is often discouraging to see bright young people limit their own experiences. On the basis of the sample sentences above paragraph, try to use your new words in the following sentences. Occasionally it may be necessary to change the ending of a word, e.g. indiscriminate to indiscriminately. 1. The football game was blank with excitement and great plays. 2. The blank author received the Nobel Prize for literature. 3. My cousin is so blank in schoolwork that his friends call him a bookworm. 4. After skiing, I find that I have a blank appetite. 5. Modern warfare often results in the blank killing of combatants and innocent civilians alike. 1. The football game was replete with excitement and great plays. 2. The eminent author received the Nobel Prize for literature. 3. My cousin is so steeped in schoolwork that his friends call him a bookworm. 4. After skiing, I find that I have a voracious appetite. 5. Modern warfare often results in the indiscriminate killing of combatants and innocent civilians alike. Today's idiom. Eat humble pie. To admit your error and apologize. After his candidate had lost the election, the boastful campaign manager had to eat humble pie. From Vocabulary Builder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.